Welcome to the Czech Republic, a land of castles, culture, and crisp golden beer in the heart of Europe. Located in Central Europe, the Czech Republic is landlocked and bordered by Germany, Austria, Slovakia, and Poland. Its capital is Prague, a magical city known for Gothic spires, medieval bridges, and charming cobblestones. The country is home to about 10.5 million people. The official language is Czech, and the currency is the Czech koruna, CZK. Czechia is a parliamentary republic with a president and a prime minister. It joined the European Union in 2004 and is also a member of NATO, the UN, and the Schengen area. Its economy is industrial and export-driven with strengths in automotive, machinery, glassmaking, and tourism. Nature here ranges from mountains to magical forests. The Bohemian Forest and Krkonoše Mountains offer hiking, skiing, and stunning scenery. Rivers like the Vltava wind through valleys and cities. National parks such as Bohemian Switzerland are filled with sandstone cliffs and fairy tale rock formations. Czech culture is deeply historic and wonderfully artistic. The country has produced giants in literature, music, and science, from writer Franz Kafka to composer Antonín Dvořák. The majority of Czechs are non-religious, though many traditions have Christian roots. Folk music, puppetry, and festivals are part of the cultural fabric. The country boasts over 2,000 castles and chateaux, more per square mile than any other nation. Brno Castle is the largest ancient castle complex in the world. Czechs also love their legends, like the astronomical clock that moves with magical figures every hour. Fun fact, the word robot comes from a Czech play written in 1920. Czech cuisine is hearty and flavorful. Popular dishes include svíčková, marinated beef with creamy sauce, goulash, and dumplings. Beer, pivo, is a national treasure. The Czech Republic drinks more beer per capita than any other country. Try a pint of original Pilsner in Plzeň or a dark lager in a cozy pub. Sports, ice hockey, and football are national passions. The Czech Republic has produced global stars in tennis, javelin, and athletics. Winter sports are popular in the mountains, and table tennis is a favorite pastime. Why visit? Walk across Charles Bridge at sunrise, explore castles in the countryside, sip coffee in artistic cafes, or soak in historic spa towns like Karlovy Vary. The Czech Republic is full of beauty, brains, and beer. Whether you're drawn by the architecture, the ale, or the artistry, Czechia has something unforgettable for you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Love our doodles? Enjoy 10% off our digital country bundles on Etsy with code DOODLE10.